my channel. It's me again, Jacqui. So if you're new here, welcome! So for today's video, we're up again for another BoxyCharm unboxing. Yay! I just received my BoxyCharm yesterday and I was so excited that I had a peek of it already. So I'm so sorry, guys. So this box is quite different from the first box that I've got, which was last month. It's actually, the size of it, it's actually different, wherein it's a bit longer and a bit like smaller, because I think it's because they've sent a skincare product in it. So without further ado, I'm gonna go and show it to you all, guys, and give you some honest review about it and try it on my face. Again, guys, BoxyCharm is a beauty subscription box wherein you're paying $21 per month and they're giving you 4 to 5 amazing full-size products, which has the retail of over 100. So it's all worth it. So without further ado, let's go and get started. So for this month, they've sent me these amazing products. The theme of it is Make Waves. Summery vibes, beach vibes, postcard, and at the back of it are just the details and the names of the products in the box, as well as the retail prices. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you one by one. So first product is this amazing, cute, gorgeous box. So this is the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. This daily conditioning gel cleanser gently but effectively cleanses skin and dissolves makeup. I actually need this one. Oat amino acids condition, while the vegan formula with apple extract, vitamin E, and green tea extract bubbles up to deep clean and remove impurities. Soap, fragrance, and SLS or SLES free. I don't know what SLS or SLES means. All skin types approved. Okay, so the retail price of this is $28. So again, guys, the box is just $21 and first product is actually higher than the subscription box itself. Let's just go and open this and look at that. It's so cute. It says here, hello sexy. This is what the bottle looks like. So I assume that this is the full size of it. So let's just go and smell it. And it doesn't have a scent. So guys, I've tried this last night and I actually can't see an effect yet because it's my first time using a Glam Glow brand of skincare product. But then again, I would love to try this frequently and keep you guys posted once I've tried it for a week or maybe more than that. Next, let's see what we got in here. Okay, next here we have Dose of Colors. I got the shade Los Angeles. Cute name. And it's a liquid matte lipstick. So this product is your new Dose of Colors liquid matte lipstick. Has a velvety, high fashion matte finish which envelopes lips in reach, long wearing color. It applies as a creamy liquid, but after a few minutes, it dries to an ultra comfortable matte finish. So I can't wait to just try this on my lips, which I'm gonna do later. And I'm just gonna go and open it. Oh, this is so cute. So the top cover says New Bestie. This is what the lippy looks like. So it's very like, I think it's a vibrant red shade, but I'm not sure of it yet. So I'm just gonna go and swatch it on my hand. It's like a vibrant red shade, which I love. So the retail price of that, if I haven't told you yet, guys, is $18. Next, let's go and grab this cute pink packaging. Wow, this is very cute. Look at the packaging itself. So it got like a star, it got stars, and I love the color of it because it's like a blush pink. I love pink. And this is the Ciate London Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow. So Ciate London Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow, your new Ciate London's Eye Luster, will help you create long-lasting, shimmering eyeshadow looks. The metallic, glittering liquid shadow can be swiped on for full coverage luster, blended out for sheer sparkle, or applied over any eyeshadow as a topper. So I assume I could apply this on my top lid or all over my lid. So I'm just gonna go and try this one later again. Actually guys, BoxyCharm sent 2 shades of this cream eyeshadow, but I got the shade, what shade is this? Cupid. So I got the shade Cupid. It looks like a purple, sparkly, glittery shade, and it has like an applicator. I'm just gonna go and swatch it to you on my hand as well, beside a dose of colors. So that is what it looks like. So you can see, and I'm just gonna go and blend it out just so you could see how sparkly and glittery it is. I don't know if you could actually notice how sparkly it is. So the retail price of this gorgeous eyeshadow is $22. And next one we got here, Alamar Cosmetics, which is a Colorette Blush Trio. And I got the shade Fair Light. So inside it has like, I'm just gonna go and open it. It has a tape in it, so it's hard to open right away. And this is what it looks like inside. There's a plastic as well and a mirror. I love that it comes with a mirror in it. I got the shades Castaway, Paraiso, and Scorcher. This one is, Paraiso is like a Filipino or Tagalog word. Like it means a paradise, right? Paraiso. I'm actually thinking of trying this on my cheek and on my upper crease as well. We'll see how it turns out later. And I'm just gonna go and swatch. Oh, I love this. I love the printed letter. So first is Castaway. Then next is Paraiso. And last is the Scorcher. Those are the swatches of this amazing, this cute blush trio, wherein I'm gonna try it on my crease and on my cheeks as well. So these are blush trio. Get your blush on with your new Alamar Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio, formulated to glide effortlessly over your cheeks. This buttery smooth, high pigmented, and completely vegan formula delivers a sun-kissed flush without the damage of the rays. So it's very like a beach, summery vibes. So the retail price of this is $22. So I'm just gonna go and try this one later. Where is the box? I can't actually see the box. It doesn't have a box. Why am I looking for a box? So last but not the least, in this BoxyCharm box, I love you BoxyCharm, I love BoxyCharm. Bodyography is the Bodyography Midnight Blue Eye Pencil. So this vegan, cruelty-free Bodyography lip pencil. Oh, it's actually a lip pencil. How come it says eyeliner pencil and it says here lip pencil? Where is it? BoxyCharm, you had some typo in your card. It says here lip pencil, but it's like an eyeliner. It says here eyeliner pencil, but it's a lip pencil. It says lip pencil. I'm confused. So this is antioxidant, rich, infused with coconut oil and vitamin E. The smooth yet long-wearing formula glides on effortlessly, delivering durable pigment that can frame, fill in, and define the lips. Seriously? So I think you could use it on your lips or on your eyes. I don't know. So the shade of it is Midnight Blue. I'm just gonna go and warm it and show you the shade of it. So That is so pretty. It's not actually dark blue. It's like royal blue. Yeah, it looks like a royal blue shade. Again, it's all worth it. For just $21, I got like 104 full-size brands of skincare and makeup, which I love. I love you so much, BoxyCharm. Thank you. Okay, so now we're just gonna go and try everything on my face except the Glam Glow, which is a skincare product. But first I wanted to try this Alamar Cosmetics on my crease. We're just gonna go and experiment something new. I'm gonna go and grab my 209 large shader, which is the Luxie brush, which I've got in my BoxyCharm last month. I'm gonna go and apply the darkest, the darkest shade, which is the Paraiso. Just gonna go and we'll see if it blends on my crease or on my eyes as well, and it's not just like it's not only for blushes. So we're just gonna go and apply it on my upper crease. Oh, it's actually blendable even though I'm applying it on my eyes since it's a blush. It's not very pigmented because it's not an eyeshadow, obviously. It's a blush, so I shouldn't be expecting a brighter or a more like pigmented shade of it. And then now I'm just gonna go and grab my eyelaster Ciate London with the shade Cupid, and we're gonna go and apply it on my lid. I'm just gonna go and zoom that out, guys, so you could actually see it. I'm just gonna go and blend it with my finger. I love the glitter shade of it. It adds some like shimmer on my eyes. Like, it's actually pretty. It doesn't look like purple. It's more of like a golden silvery shade. I'm being careful because I might poke my eyes with my nails. I don't know if you could actually see it. So it's not very like pigmented and it's not very visible. It's just to add some glitter on your eyes. Next, I'm just gonna go and try this Bodyography Midnight Blue Eye Pencil, which in the card it says a lip pencil. That I'm confused. So we're just gonna go and try this on my lower line, on my waterline. Oh, I love the color of it. Here you go. I love the color of this midnight blue. It doesn't like looks very, it is very simple and it glides like smoothly and easily on my waterline. So I love the color of this. And I'm just gonna go and put some mascara. Let's just go and curl my lashes. And I'm gonna use this Power Up mascara from Butter London, which I got from my last month's BoxyCharm. There you go for my eyes. I'm done with it. And next, I'm just gonna go and test this Alamar Blush Trio. And I'm just gonna go and grab my e.l.f. blush brush. And I'm gonna try the shade Castaway. It's like a bright orange shade. Bright sun-kissed shade. I don't know, but it looks like it has a highlight in it. I wanted to add more of like an intense shade of blush, so I'm just gonna go and grab the scorcher and tap a little. So there you go. And last but not the least, I'm just gonna go and test this bad boy, which is the Dose of Colors. I love the shade of it. I love the color. It's like a red, matte red. But we'll see if it's actually red. Wow. I love the color right away. It's very pretty. The shade is not like hot red. It's like there's something like in it. It's like red with some orangey. So there you go, guys. That's it for this month's BoxyCharm. I love all the products inside. And if you do guys wanted to try this subscription box, just go ahead and visit their website. And I'm gonna go and post the link down below. And I want you guys to just comment down below your favorite products that I got here in this box. Mine is the Alamar Cosmetics. And I love everything. I love BoxyCharm. And that's it for now. So again guys, I'm gonna go and see you on my next unboxing video, which is next month. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and keep on subscribing. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!